Hello all, welcome to Edukemy. Myself Rahul, and today in this video we will be learning few important habits if one inculcates can streamline the process of UPSC exam. Before moving on, if you want to know more about examination and related information, stay tuned with our channel at Edukemy. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Edukemy and also hit the bell icon. Now, what are the important habits that one can inculcate? First is your time management. We know that UPSC is divided into three different stages: preliminary stage, main examination, and your interview stage. Every stage requires different aspects of preparation and has different dimensions attached to it. So, a time management between this examination and also during this examination is very important tool. So if one has the habit of managing the time that one spends in a day, so it will be very useful in the total preparation of UPSC. Second is your reading newspapers on a day-to-day basis. Yes, the current affairs and the relevant information of this current affairs forms a major important part in your different stages of UPSC exam. Whether it is your preliminary stage, your main examination, or your personality test, the current relevant issues forms a major part of all this level of exam. So reading newspaper on a daily basis is a very good habit. Also, making notes of this newspapers is also a good habit. Now, one of the important thing in your UPSC preparation is maintaining your health and your mind in a good condition. So how do we do with this? So if one has the habit of eating good food, taking a complete nutritious food, he or she can stay for a very long period of time in this study of UPSC, because not only the revision, reading is important, but concentration and focus is also important. So by eating good food, you can increase your focus. Now talking about focus, one of the important thing that can increase your focus, your concentration is your health. So how do we keep yourself healthy? Proper exercise and taking enough sleep are the two important ingredients of staying healthy. Now, another important habit is the habit of practicing. Whether it is any level of preparation of your examination, that is your prelim exam or your main examination or your personality test, if you're practicing MCQs on a daily basis, if you're writing your answers on a daily basis, what this will do is it will help you in recalling the content, the concept, and you'll also have the clarity of the topic very nicely. Now let us see another important habit that one can indulge into is the habit of using internet very judiciously. Yes, why do I mean judiciously is now in this digital world, many kind of information may arrive at your phones, at your tablets, at your laptops. So one should be able to use this internet very judiciously. So if one has the habit of reading good content on a day-to-day basis and segregating them for the use of different parts of your examination, this habit can really help you in easing your preparation. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Edukemy and also join our various courses such as crash course for your preliminary examination. Stay tuned. Happy learnings. Thank you.